This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus versus the iPhone X or the iPhone 10. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! My expectation for the Redmi 5 Plus honestly are not going to be that high considering the price of this handset. This phone is a super budget device. I got this for less than 200 USD, 3 gigs of RAM and a Snapdragon 625. So we'll see how well a budget like this can hang with a full flagship like the iPhone 10 here. There's nothing in the background. So let's get started with the messaging app. There you go, you guys be the judge. Camera. There you go, you guys be the judge. The calculator on both. The clock. Play Store and App Store, respectively. Search for Lyft on the iPhone and leave it on this page. eBay on both phones. There you go. Click on this item and leave it on that page. Amazon shopping. There you go. So you can see the 5 Plus not that far behind. I think it might be even a little faster on that right there. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. There you go. Very similar. The speed test app. And this one, the iPhone is ahead. We're on the same server and we are. Go ahead and do a speed test on the iPhone. Mario Run. Redmi 5 Plus not that far behind. We'll tap to play on both. And I'll stop the game right here. Angry Birds 2. The iPhone here ahead. I'm waiting for the 5 Plus. So you can see, considering the price of this handset, not too bad, all things considered. Subway Surf. Tap to play a little bit and stop the game right there. Do the same thing on the 5 Plus. Temple Run 2. Play a little bit and stop the game and do the same thing on the 5 Plus. Twitter on both phones. And give that to the 5 Plus. Snapchat. And ooh, pretty close. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both of these phones. Everything's in the background. Start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. Temple Run 2. Still on RAM on both phones. Subway Surf. Still on RAM, ready to resume on both phones. Angry Birds 2. Ready to continue on the iPhone 10 and a reload here on the 5 Plus. Mario Run. Continuing the data download and a reload here on the Redmi. The speed test app. Right where we left it off on the 10 and a reload on the 5 Plus. Adobe Acrobat Reader. in RAM in the 10, and a reload here on the left. Amazon shopping, still in RAM on the 10, and on the 5 Plus had to reload the page, but it remembered where it was. eBay on both phones. Right where we left it off on the 10, same thing here. On the Xiaomi, Play Store and App Store, right on the Lyft app. The clock. There you go. The calculator. Still in RAM on both. Camera. There you go. Give you an idea. And the messaging app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this unlikely matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking your brand new iPhone X or iPhone 10? Or are you Team Xiaomi rocking your Redmi 5 Plus or your Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 or your Xiaomi Mi 6? Let me know in the comments down below. Overall, considering the price of the Redmi 5 Plus, this being a budget device, can hold its own. Thanks for watching. Peace out.